Now, CL, if I whiz this out to a slightly wider time frame, I think we're in the wave 4 before we get a fifth down, and then that should complete the initial structure down here from the highs at the beginning of October. The nature of this fall, or the structure of it, is difficult. If we come up and hit 58.46 on a day trading basis, that's worth a shot at a short. It can be all of the 4, or it can just be the A wave of the 4. But try as I might, the internal structure of this initial move up is a mess. Best I've got at the moment, A, B, C for a 1, 2, A, B, C for a 3, 4, and it looks to me like that's probably the A, B. We're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have a diagonal up. The target would be the 58.46. Then we get a B back. Then we get a C up. Would be what I would suggest is likely in CL. But as I say, it's a wave 4, so this structure is always difficult. At the moment, there's a potential short entry right now if you want it, with a stop at 57.96. We've just double topped over the blue lines, both times spiked. We may be coming back down, but I wouldn't outstay your welcome on any trades in CL until this 4's over. So take your 20 points for half each time, stops to entry at the earliest opportunity, and all the rest of it. Each leg is proving to be short-lived, so you know, you don't assume we're going to get a run. We might when we get to the C wave, but for now it's a sort of scalping environment in CL. Okay, let's have a look at natural gas next. So we got this strong move down yesterday, which I think is the wave 3. I think again we came down and hit the 1764 here. Then we popped up and hit the 123.6 and came down and made a lower low, but we didn't get to the next fib. I'm wondering whether we're getting a wave 4 flat triangle, if you want to call it that, here. Watch 42.16 and then 43.39. It should turn back down and give us one more low from one of those areas before we get the bigger move back up as a B or 2. It kind of doesn't have to. This low was a lower low than this one here. We didn't quite get to the 2.0, but it has done enough for this to be the A wave in, and then we get an A, B, C for a 2 or B back, and then we should get an even bigger move to the downside after that in natural gas is what I'm looking for. And then day trading wise, we're just, you know, rotating between the blue lines this morning. So let's wait and see which one breaks. If we break the upper one, it would suggest that we're more likely already in the 2 or B back up. Break the lower one, it's the 5th down. So you can then adjust expectations accordingly.